Hey everyone, how's it going? Thought I would make a comeback after a while. My new purchase. I sold my 2015 Corolla LE Premium and picked up this 2014 Avalon XLE Touring. So it's like a dark navy blue. I think the official color is Parisian Night Metallic, I think. It has the 18-inch alloys, which is really nice. Turntable lights in the mirrors. It's a little bit rainy, dark today, so it's kind of dirty, but when it's nice out, the color looks really nice. It's super deep, dark blue. Got my sticker on there. Wheels. It says fog lights, which is nice. No more LED lights, which I'm gonna miss, but it's got like the dual light. I don't even know what you call it, but it's like the dual beam like lights. Turn signal things down there. It's got like the razor front end. It's like a shaving thing, but that doesn't really bother me. Got up to the car. It's got the moonroof, which I really want. Once I get inside, grab the handle. So it's like a gray leather interior. No more fake leather, which I'm gonna miss because that wore like so much better. It doesn't get creases or anything. It's got the all-weather mats, which are really dirty, so excuse that. All automatic windows, power door locks, power mirrors, 2-person memory for the seats. Getting in. Alright, so from inside, it's got the leather wrap wheel, trunk pop, traction control, blind spot monitoring, which I don't know if you can see in the mirror, but the little icon is there. It's got the center helper screen. It's got the smaller display audio. It doesn't have navigation, which is one thing I'm gonna miss. But also has the heated seats and everything. Eco, normal, and sport modes. It's got like a blue armrest, like a blue sort of accents everywhere. It's kind of nice. Like the door thing is blue, so it won't wear as much if it's like tan or white or something. Dual zone automatic climate control. As always, push button start. So if I put my foot on the brake, I'll start it up. It's super quiet, which is something I really like. Push the button. The seat does the power adjust, which is something I didn't have before, which I really like. Got the head unit turning on. It's kind of dirty, but yeah, I gotta clean that. So, as you can tell, it has 34,133 miles. This tank so far I've done 241 miles, and I've got just past half tank. And since I got it March 10th, I have driven 81 miles. So I've definitely been driving a lot more than I usually do. Usually it takes me a month to do just like 1,000, so just over 2 weeks, almost 900 is impressive for me. As far as the steering wheel, it has the answer, hang up, voice control. The little display button will cycle through all your menus. 101 miles left. Average economy, this tank is 24. So far, I've filled up twice. I've gotten right in the middle, 23.8 and like 24.5. So that's about right. Keep going. Current fuel economy, eco drive, settings, and then just the current speed, which is what I leave it on. So since it's touring, it's got the pedal shifter, and then the D-pad for the audio system. So dual zone climate control, usually. So it's nice. It's nice now that I have dual zones. I can mess with everything and do all that. I'll leave that off. There's a little compartment on the bottom, which is lit. It's got 2 cigarette lighters and a USB port, as well as an aux port. So I'm sure just leave that plugs in. Put my phone up here. Heated seats, as I said. 2 cup holders. Center glove box full of my crap. Sunroof and everything. Let's get in the back seat really quick. You can see the lights light is all lit up. So sitting behind myself, and I sit pretty much all the way back. I've got leg room, flat floor, which is nice. I could definitely also sit my seat up a little bit farther and be comfortable, so there's more room for someone in the back. It has center armrest with a little pass-through, because it no longer has a folding rear seat, which my Corolla, which I'm going to miss. It has rear air vents. I get back here, much more room, I can spread out, a lot more room for room in the bottom. And then rear automatic windows, all the materials fall through, all nice and soft. And it's definitely a nice car. It's definitely an upgrade over my Corolla. I want it to be a little bit bigger, more power. The V6 in this is definitely much appreciated compared to the little 4-cylinder I had before, so definitely love that. It's definitely a little bit more of a grown-up car compared to what I had before, so that I definitely like. Got LED taillights. Got the headlights on, and you can see the headlights. Fog lights are already on. This beeps a lot. So there are the little dual beams as well as the fog lights. Definitely not as bright as I'm used to with the LEDs, but everyone complains that those are too bright, so I just can't really win. Gonna do it one more time. It's a overall really nice car. V6 is probably my favorite thing. It's super quiet, super smooth. Can't really complain about that at all. But I mean, other than that, I think maybe I need to clean the leather a little bit, take care of that, because now with tan leather, gray leather, it actually needs some work compared to the black leather I had before where you could hit everything. So that I'll miss, but I can get used to that. Just buy some leather cleaner and stuff, conditioner. Go to the head unit info. It's got all your trip stuff and miles per gallon. It does have like the crappy old Toyota navigation, not like the newer systems that came in the 2015s. So I mean, it does still like choose my destinations and stuff like that, but it's not something I would use like reliably or anything. So it's fine. It's better than nothing. I have like my phone one up here, and I'm all good. But other than that, I don't think I really have anything else to say. It's got the home link. You can see that, sort of, maybe. Yeah, but it's got home link. So that's nice. Don't have to keep my garage door open around the visor anymore, but I think that's it. I'll probably make a driving video at some point, going over how it drives and everything, but for now, that's all I got. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon.